today we have got a new speaker, a soundbar by Amazon Basics. Right, so earlier I bought like really cheap, probably like $1 or $2 what do you call speakers, and later I thought that I don't actually need speakers because I have got this PS5 headset as well, right? But you know what, like, to be honest, like PS headset like is all good and everything, but like, I mean, I don't use it that much, so I mean, like, it's like a task to, like, like open it and then connect. I mean, it doesn't take a lot of time, but then, like, for me it's like more of a task, so I thought like I'll just get a speaker also. This is a sound bar by Amazon Basics, and this has got the, what they have not written anything here. Okay, so if you can see how much is it for, right? And then like it's a soundbar, USB cable, aux cable, user manual. So yeah, it's a white color model, so that's what I got. I got the white color one because, like, obviously PS5 is white and this table is white, so I thought like it would look good. So now this thing is heavy, and like, if you compare the box, it's like almost the similar size minus this, and then we've got the like aux cable to connect it with your TV, which might not be a Bluetooth enabled TV, right? And then this has got stand as well here, right? So it won't move over this. And then we have the USB cable also. So let's just go through this very quickly because I cannot see any, what do you call, features in the box. So yeah, it has got FM mode, Bluetooth call connection, Bluetooth enable power on, shutdown, and it has got RGB lights. These are the things, these are the buttons. RGB lights, you turn that on. Anyway, let's just like reopen this up. I don't want to talk about packaging and all that. So the look wise, it's like really good, right? And then I don't know where the lights are, but should be here somewhere. Maybe this is the light, maybe this is the light, but yeah, it looks really good. You've got the Amazon Basics like, these are the things, these are the like on and off button you can see over there, and then you have like, what do you call, TP card, TF card, USB, aux, and then type C charger for charging this thing. Yes, let's just turn it on now. Okay. See, okay, now this looks really good. Okay, now this is like really good. So I like it, so see, it's looking really good, and if I keep it over here, like, it would look even better. Never mind. So this is how it would look, the proper like RGB lights, and if I turn the lights off of this room, this is how it would look. So it looks like a complete gaming setup, So yeah, I'll just connect it with the TV first. So let's give me a second. Quickly connect it with the TV. Okay, I hope you guys can hear that. Let's just everything. Just turn this. And it's working. It doesn't actually like give you any, it doesn't give you any it's tough to figure out if that's the maximum volume or not, so that is what I'm talking about. But yeah, let's just play a game. Let's see how it would sound. It's loud, it's rechargeable, it's not like super loud, but it's like loud enough. Loud enough. Yeah, it's loud enough. I think it's a great investment. I would say you won't have to buy a lot of like RGB lights after you get this one, because then TV would look like this, right? So
once again, Roman Reigns and Cody Rhodes have found themselves on a collision course. Their stories seem destined.
So thank you guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you would follow my channel.